Imagine a high-stakes office in the heart of Wall Street where the hum of high-performance computers is the only sound in a room full of focused analysts. For decades, the lifeblood of this industry was the junior analyst, a professional tasked with the grueling job of manual data entry, cross-referencing thousands of legal documents, and building complex financial models until the early hours of the morning. These individuals often spent 80% of their working lives simply gathering data, leaving only 20% for the actual strategy and decision-making that drives global markets. But today, the landscape of finance is undergoing a seismic shift that is making the old ways look like ancient history. The driving force behind this transformation is a collaboration between Anthropic and its reasoning engine, Claude, and some of the most powerful institutional leaders on the planet, including FIS, AIG, and Citadel. This is not just another update to a software package, it is a massive deployment of specialized AI agents and data integrations that are rewriting the core of banking and investment workflows in real time. This revolution is moving with a speed that was previously thought impossible. Consider the process of anti-money laundering investigations, often referred to as AML, traditionally a deep dive into suspicious financial activity across multiple jurisdictions, and thousands of transactions would take a team of investigators several days, if not weeks, to complete. Today, that same comprehensive investigation can be finalized in under 3 minutes. This leap from manual spreadsheets to autonomous reasoning engines is the opening shock of a new era. We are moving from a period of AI experimentation to a phase of full-scale operational automation. Global financial hubs from New York to London are witnessing a shift where the very definition of a financial analyst is being rewritten. At the center of this change are 10 specific AI agents, each designed to tackle a different bottleneck in the financial machine. Let us begin with the agents focused on research and client coverage. The first is the investment research agent. This agent does not just keyword search through public records. It scans thousands of quarterly filings, transcripts from earnings calls, and complex legal disclosures to find alpha, that elusive competitive edge, in a matter of seconds. Following closely is the PitchBook automator. In the world of investment banking, a PitchBook is the high-stakes presentation used to win over a client. This agent generates these materials by synthesizing real-time market data, historical performance, and competitive analysis, turning what used to be a 48-hour sprint into a click of a button. The third agent focuses on client intelligence. Before a senior banker steps into a meeting with a corporate executive, they need to know everything. This agent performs a deep dive into corporate histories, executive backgrounds, and previous market moves, ensuring the banker is the most informed person in the room. Then there is the market sentiment monitor. This agent provides a real-time pulse on the world by analyzing news cycles and social media sentiment regarding specific portfolios. It can detect a shift in market mood before it ever reflects in the price of a stock. Rounding out this first group is the portfolio rebalancer. This agent identifies macroeconomic triggers, such as a sudden shift in interest rates or a geopolitical event, and suggests immediate shifts to protect assets and maximize returns. As we move deeper into the infrastructure of these firms, we find the agents dedicated to finance and operations. The sixth agent is the credit underwriting agent. This tool assesses risk profiles by synthesizing unstructured data like news reports and legal filings with traditional financial statements to provide a more accurate picture of a borrower's health. The seventh agent is the AML automation agent, which we mentioned earlier. It is the speed demon of the group, identifying suspicious patterns across millions of transactions instantly, protecting the integrity of the global financial system. The eighth agent handles regulatory reporting. Dealing with organizations like the Securities and Exchange Commission or the SEC requires meticulous documentation that must be perfect. This agent drafts these compliance documents without the human fatigue that often leads to errors. The ninth agent is responsible for treasury management. It optimizes cash flow and liquidity forecasting using predictive modeling, ensuring that a firm always has the capital it needs exactly when it needs it. Finally, the 10th agent is the tax strategy optimizer. Navigating the labyrinth of international tax codes is a nightmare for humans, but this agent finds efficiencies and ensures compliance across dozens of different legal jurisdictions simultaneously. These tools are not just smart. They are powered by the most expensive and accurate data in the world. They represent a transition from asking what a tool can do to seeing how it functions when it is grounded in the truth of global markets. Before we continue into how these agents are being weaponized with exclusive data layers, subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments where you are watching from. The shift we are seeing today is the end of the technical barrier. In the past, if an analyst wanted to find out which software companies in Europe had a declining profit margin, they might have to write complex queries or wait for a data team to pull a report. Now, they simply ask the question in natural language. This change is turning junior analysts from researchers into orchestrators. They are no longer the ones digging for the data, they are the ones directing the AI agents on how to use it. This creates a powerful synergy where human strategy meets machine speed. As we look at how Claude is being integrated with partners like Moody's and PitchBook, it becomes clear that the gap between the leaders and the laggards in the financial world is growing wider every single day. The era of the legacy analyst is ending, and the era of the augmented professional has begun. To understand why this change is so profound, we must look at the history of automation in banking. For decades, we relied on what could be called dumb automation. These were systems designed to follow rigid rules and predetermined paths. They could move data from point A to point B, but they could not think about what that data meant or identify the nuance within a complex financial statement. When the first wave of large language models arrived, many expected an immediate revolution. But finance is an industry built on precision. In this world, the cost of being wrong is catastrophic. Traditional models suffered from hallucinations, creating facts out of thin air or misinterpreting a complex balance sheet because they were focused on predicting the next word rather than understanding the underlying math. In an environment where a decimal point in the wrong place can lead to a multi-million-dollar loss, a general purpose I was seen as a toy, not a tool. This created a lack of trust that stalled adoption for years. The breakthrough came with the shift toward what we now call finance-grounded reasoning. Unlike its predecessors, Claude was not just trained on the open internet to be a conversationalist. It was designed to prioritize accuracy and logic over creative flair. But even the best reasoning engine is only as good as the information it consumes. This brings us to the most critical component of this revolution, the data layer. In the high-stakes environment of Wall Street, AI without high-quality data is like a high-performance engine without fuel. To solve this, Anthropic established a massive partnership ecosystem that integrates Claude directly with the world's most expensive and accurate information sources. Consider the role of Moody's and Verisk. These organizations are the gatekeepers of credit ratings and risk analytics. By integrating their vast databases directly into Claude's reasoning process, the AI can now perform risk assessments that are grounded in actual credit histories and market risk models rather than just guessing based on public news. When a banker asks Claude to evaluate a new loan for a mid-sized manufacturing firm, the AI is not just looking at a company website or a generic news article. It is pulling live data from Moody's to verify every claim and checking risk scores against historical benchmarks. Similarly, partnerships with FactSet and Morningstar provide the ground truth for equity and fund performance. These are the gold standards of financial data, and they are now the primary sources for Claude's analysis. Perhaps the most significant addition to this arsenal is the partnership with PitchBook. For those in private equity and venture capital, PitchBook is the ultimate map of the private market, containing data on over 600 million companies worldwide. Traditionally, accessing this data required specialized knowledge of the PitchBook platform and hours of manual filtering and exporting. Now, through Claude, an analyst can simply ask a question as if they were talking to a colleague. They might say, "Show me every software as a service company in Europe that has a declining EBITDA but has raised more than $20 million in the last year." In the past, this query would have required a junior analyst to navigate complex menus and cross-reference multiple spreadsheets. Today, Claude interacts with the database through natural language, retrieves the specific entries, and presents the answer in seconds. This represents the total removal of the technical barrier. For a long time, the gap between a strategic question and a data-backed answer was filled by technical friction. You needed to know how to write SQL or how to navigate complex API connections to get the data you wanted. Claude has effectively killed that requirement. The removal of this friction means that the speed of business is now only limited by the speed of thought. This transition is turning junior analysts from database query writers into orchestrators of intelligence. Their value is no longer in their ability to grind through a database for 10 hours. Their value is now in their ability to ask the right questions and verify the outputs provided by the AI. They have become the strategic auditors of a machine that works 1,000 times faster than they ever could. We have seen the brain of this operation, and we have seen the data that gives it power. But how does this actually look in the tools that finance professionals use every every single day. We are talking about the primary interface of Wall Street, Microsoft Excel. If your workflow still feels like it belongs in the year 1990 or even 2010, the next stage of this journey is for you. Before we dive into the total transformation of financial modeling, let us look at how these partnerships create a massive competitive advantage, or a moat, for Anthropic. By securing these data integrations, they have made it incredibly difficult for other AI providers to compete in the enterprise finance space. It is not just about the AI, it is about who has the keys to the most reliable data in the world. Furthermore, the security aspect cannot be overlooked. For firms like Citadel and AIG, data privacy is a non-negotiable requirement. Claude is often deployed within secure virtual private clouds, or VPCs, where the firm's sensitive information never leaves its own controlled environment. This allows these giants to use the most advanced AI on the planet without ever risking a data leak or exposing their proprietary strategies to the public cloud. They get the intelligence of the modern era with the security of a private vault. As we look ahead, the impact of this integrated data layer will only grow. We are moving toward a world where the AI is not just a passive tool waiting for a prompt. It is becoming a proactive partner that monitors these data feeds in real time. We have moved from a time when analysts had to search for data to an era where the data effectively talks to us, highlighting risks and opportunities the moment they appear. This is the foundation upon which the future of autonomous finance is being built. The manual era of the legacy analyst is fading into the background, and the era of data-driven reasoning is here to stay, fundamentally changing how capital is moved across the globe. The speed of decision-making has transitioned from days to minutes, and the precision has never been higher. With the data layer secured, the focus now shifts to the very hands of the industry, the spreadsheets where the world's wealth is calculated. Transitioning from the data layer to the actual tools used in the trenches of finance, the revolution takes its most visible form within Microsoft Excel. For decades, the spreadsheet has been the primary interface of Wall Street, but Claude is fundamentally redefining how professionals interact with it. We are entering the era of the financial modeling revolution, where Claude builds 3 statement models, including the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement, directly from raw, unstructured data. Instead of a junior analyst spending 10 hours manually transcribing data from a 100-page PDF earnings transcript, Claude can scan the document, identify the core drivers, and populate the Excel cells in seconds. This moves the human role from manual data entry to high-level oversight, allowing teams at firms like Citadel, FIS, or AIG to focus on strategy rather than formatting. This intelligence extends into one of the most tedious tasks in banking, which is covenant analysis. In the world of large-scale corporate lending, credit agreements are often 1,000-page documents filled with dense legal and financial jargon. Finding a specific debt trigger or a change of control clause used to be a grueling process that consumed entire weekends. Now, Claude can scan these massive agreements to identify specific triggers, such as a net debt to EBITDA ratio that might be breached under certain economic conditions. It performs sensitivity analysis with a level of speed that was previously unimaginable. An analyst can now use simple voice or text commands to ask the AI to run 5 different what-if scenarios for interest rate hikes over the next 3 years. Claude then calculates the impact on the firm's net interest margin and interest coverage ratios, updating the spreadsheet results in real time. The final step of the modern workflow is the automated creation of client-ready materials. Claude can bridge the gap between Excel and PowerPoint by turning raw data into a polished narrative. It can draft the credit memo or the PitchBook sections that explain the underlying trends, identifying why a particular risk is rising or why an investment opportunity is attractive based on current market sentiment. This creates a massive productivity gap between the AI-augmented analyst and the legacy analyst. While the legacy analyst is still struggling with manual data gathering and cell formatting, the augmented analyst is operating as a strategic orchestrator. One person using these tools can now do the work of a 5-person team. This shift is being forced by global financial leaders because of margin compression. In a world where speed is everything, the traditional manual team is simply too slow and too expensive to maintain. For those currently working in the industry, the sense of professional fear of missing out is growing. However, there are practical steps to take right now to join this shift. It begins with installing the Claude Excel add-in and exploring templates designed for automated financial statement analysis. The core skill is shifting from being an Excel monkey to becoming a prompt architect and a strategic auditor. Professionals are no longer being paid to manually build the formula. They are being paid to verify that the AI logic is sound and to provide the strategic interpretation that the client needs. Claude also serves as a tireless auditor, scanning massive workbooks to find circular references or incorrect cell links that even the most senior analysts might miss during a late-night session. By using the AI to audit human-made formulas, the risk of multi-million-dollar errors is drastically reduced. This evolution is leading us toward a near-future concept known as Claude dreaming. This represents the shift from reactive AI to truly autonomous agents that don't wait for instructions. In the current model, the AI waits for a human to provide a prompt. In the era of Claude dreaming, the AI is persistent and proactive. It does not stop working when the office lights go out and the laptops are closed. While the team sleeps, the AI continues to monitor global market movements, news feeds, and internal portfolio risk limits. It performs continuous sensitivity analysis as new data arrives from partners like Moody's, Verisk, or PitchBook. When the analyst arrives at their desk at 7 in the morning, they are not greeted by a blank screen and a mountain of unread emails. Instead, they find a morning brief waiting for them. This is not just a summary of the news, but a detailed report of actions the AI took to mitigate risk and a list of strategic decisions that require human approval. This persistent memory means the AI is constantly learning the specific investment style of the firm and its unique risk tolerances. It becomes a more effective partner every single day, evolving alongside the human team rather than just being a static tool. The world of finance is becoming unrecognizable to those who rely on outdated legacy systems. We have moved from a time when data was a static resource to be mined, to an era where intelligence is a fluid, autonomous force that never sleeps. The AI is no longer just an assistant. It is the engine of the modern financial world, making the impossible happen in minutes. The speed of decision-making has transitioned from days to minutes, and the precision has never been higher. As this technology continues to integrate with the global financial infrastructure, the divide between the past and the future will only grow. Those who master the role of the strategic orchestrator will be the ones who lead the next era of global capital, while the legacy systems of the past fade into history. The revolution is no longer coming, it is already here, and it is working while you sleep. The world of finance isn't just getting faster, it is becoming unrecognizable, and now you have an AI that works while you sleep.